Okay, this video is for the FreeCAD assignment mold cavity. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure, well, first thing you're going to do is you're going to import the provided file from the assignment. Once you've done that, you're going to go over here and we're going to create a cam job. If this is not checkmarked, checkmark it, please. Okay, thank you. Okay, now we're going to define our stock, which is how much extra metal is on this block, because we go to a store, we buy it. They're not going to make it to the size that we need. We're going to go with the default. So okay, there you go. Okay, so now you've done that. So one thing you want to make sure is, usually when you start, you've got your task tab clicked. Make sure that you have the option to click on model. If model does not show up, please go up to view, go down to panels, and click on model. Okay, so that you've got that option. Okay, and once you've done that, you're going to see your tree. This is all the tree that's going to represent the geometry that was used to make our mold cavity, and the stuff that we're looking at down here is the job. So I'm going to click on this arrow. I'm going to click on it so it's down, and it's now going to show all the stuff that we do to it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to click on that top surface, and I'm going to go face. I'm going to pick boundary shape, which is going to be, we're going to go stock. We're going to go line, and I'm going to change the degrees to 90. Okay, I'm going to say OK, and there is my toolpath. Let's go into New Cam Simulator, and we're going to click play. I'm going to multiply it 40 times, and then it's going to show cleaning off the top surface of that block. If you've got any little remnants left over, don't worry about it. That'll be taken care of when we finish the outside of the block. Okay, we'll close that. I'm going to close this as well, and I'm going to go over to my job tree, and I'm going to click on this arrow here, which is operations. I'm going to click so it goes down. There's mill face. Now I just touched it and it lit up. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the eyeball so that we can't see that toolpath. Keeps things nice and neat and tidy. Okay, now I'm going to hold on to control button, and I'm going to click on this circle here, and I'm going to click on that circle there, this circle, and this one as well. And then I'm going to go up to your drilling, and let's go just double check our heights. Yep, our depths here is down to 0. 0 is the bottom of our block. Sometimes people choose to go a little bit extra depending on the sharpness of your drill. Some people choose to pick peck option. You can pick that if you want, it's up to you. And then I'm just going to go with defaults and click OK. I'm not going to show the simulation. You can see the tool path, it goes down, boom, you've got your drill. Cycle completed, and I'm going to click on the eyeball to get rid of that. Now we're going to do the pocket, and to do that we're going to go down here, and let's just pick this surface here, hold the control button down, and we'll pick this one here, click this one and this one. Okay, now we're going to go to adaptive and make sure it's on the inside. Okay, and I'm going to go with all the default settings, and that's going to clear the first level. If we take a look, here's the first level. Click on our toolpath simulation and click play, and this one takes a long time, so I'm just gonna go through it like so, and there you go, nice and clean and clear. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this, and I'm going to turn the adaptive off. Okay, let's take care of the remainder of this pocket. We're we're clicking on Pocket 3D, and we're going to go line. Step over percentage is going to be 50. And we're going to go change the angle to 90. Okay. And our depths, let's see, step down is 20. And our start depth is going to be 2.0. Okay. Operation, review that once again. Pattern, I'm going to go line. Okay. Okay. So let's try looking at this in our simulation. Turning off the first two. And let's go. Play. This is our adaptive running. Okay, took out our stuff down there, and that finishes that. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our tree. Let's turn off that pocket 3D. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do a quick profile and wrap this up. Holding our control down, let's highlight our outside. Click, click, okay. Let's go to profile. And we're going to cut on the outside. And there we go. Depths go down to 0. Okay. And let's just double check what that looks like in our simulation. Okay. And we'll just, there you go. As you can guess, it goes all the way down to the bottom. There you go, okay. And that's it for the mold cavity.